Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Here at Motorhead Garage, we love off-roading, and we know you do too. That's why we brought in a Toyota outfitter, but not just a Toyota outfitter. We brought in the Toyota outfitter, TEQ Customs. Hunter, paint a broad picture of what you guys do.
Essentially, if you drop off your Toyota at our shop, we can get you set up with anything and everything that you need to build out your Toyota so you can take it anywhere you could ever want to.
Well, that's the big picture. Let's talk specifically headlights, because that's what's got you started, and that's your bread and butter as well.
I actually started making these in my garage way back when. I've always loved working on Toyotas, and obviously still do. And I put a set together for myself and posted it online, and it kind of just went from there. So many people liked them that I had requests instantly, so I started taking some orders and moved to a very small shop and was just doing it in there for a while. We've since moved to a quite large shop in Raleigh, North Carolina, where we install a huge range of products. Some custom grills that we make for 4Runners and Tundras, Sequoias, basically any Toyota SUV, truck, 4x4, anything like that. But our products go far beyond just some cosmetic stuff like grills. We carry plenty of things for the overland crowd, like roof racks and rooftop tents. We carry suspension lift kits. We carry a wide range of supplementary suspension projects, parts like sway bar end links or your rear links on your axle. We carry coil springs, front and rear bumpers. One great thing, we carry some spare tire carriers. So if you're running larger tires on your Toyota, you obviously always want a spare when you're off-roading.
How do we know we're getting good quality products from TEQ Customs?
So that's one of the things that when I started the company, I wanted to make sure that anybody who bought from us knew they were getting a great quality product. There's so much information out there and so many different options that just starting out modifying your vehicle, it's really difficult to figure out what's really good and what's just hearsay. So we've gone through in every company that we carry and work with. We've personally vetted ourselves. We've ran almost all of the products ourselves, and we certainly wouldn't sell anything that we would not put on our own vehicles.
Of course, you mentioned the big shop. Folks can bring their vehicle to you, but what if they want to do it themselves at home?
So we ship products all over the country every day. Let's say you wanted to install your own suspension. We offer the option of assembling those coilovers for you, which is the more difficult and oftentimes dangerous part. So we can take care of that for you in-house and just ship you the full built coilover so it's ready to just bolt on your vehicle. If you're kind of like me and love to do things yourself and learn, we offer DIY kits and instructions obviously with those DIY kits. So our customers can take the time and put it together themselves and also save some money in the process.
Now you do the quality control and the manufacturing, but you know there's quality in the design itself because you do that yourself. And where do the ideas come from for the headlights?
Some of these are more standard designs, but also we are constantly looking for new things to do. You'll see some headlights like I have on my own personal Tundra that was a completely new design. So essentially we're just looking for different headlight housings that we can find online, and then we just completely strip them down and take out all of the parts that might not be high quality because you know you're getting it from, let's say, an eBay or an Amazon or something like that, and then swapping out all of the parts and putting in our projectors and halos and anything that you could possibly want. We do sequential turn signals, we do color changing strips. And the cool thing is that everything is built to the customer's specifications. So everybody can get the exact headlight build that they want for their vehicle, and you're not going to look the same as everybody else on the road.
What was it like with this FJ?
It's very simple for all of our vehicles, and we try to make it as easy as possible. We know a little bit of wiring can be daunting for a lot of people, but so many of our customers take this on as their first electrical project. It's really a perfect way to dive in and also learn a little bit more about your vehicle and the electronics in the process. So everything installs on the vehicle with the included wiring, a harness that powers the projectors, which is your actual light output. And then we include a controller with these color changing halos that is also Bluetooth controlled, so you can control it with your phone. And it's as simple as just plugging the harness in and then connecting the connections for the controller to your parking lights and your turn signals if you wish to have them as your turn signal function. And you can use a variety of different methods to tap those in, but it's super easy and it's about 3 to 4 wires.
They make everything easy at TEQCustoms.com. A huge catalog, everything you need for your Toyota and beyond. They do custom work as well. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We hope you stay with us.